On Monday, the Meghalaya EMRI Workers' Union, under the leadership of its president Microlinas Imle and General Secretary Joseph Pengrob, had announced their fresh agitational program to protest against the state government's and the management's adamant attitude towards the demand of the workers. Informing the media about the fresh agitational program, the president of the Meghalaya EMRI Workers' Union, Microlinas Imle, said that the staff of the EMRI 108 will cease to resume duty for a week with effect from the midnight of 3rd January 2022, as the management and the state government have not responded to the workers' demand for salary enhancement and other related issues. The union will also continue to stage other protests should those in authority not respond to their demands within a week from 3rd January 2022, informed the union's president.
Since 2018, they have been saying us that all they lie to us every day, saying this, saying that, don't disrupt the service, don't go for. But how much we will listen to them? So much time we have given to them, but nothing is been doing for us. So that's why today we have come to that decision, the final decision, that from today itself we won't take the case and we will not go. We will stop the service from tonight itself. Matsau tarik, nilas dang ya ka strike ke jongi, ka service jongi kan stop na do shibit men. Dikata kadai ba kajing penbenar ka jong nakaliang ka jongi bat ngi ongi kipat baru ya sya bat ngi na ble long gi ba ladaki so ka sarkar ka sap ngi le kum ngi hab le da ka sinjam ka ba ma ble on na do macam snam ngi la ai ya ki ngi la le shibun teli kini ki agitation jongi ngi la wa ki black flag ngi la wa ya ki lamayong jongi haki ambulance nang ta pat ngi la ya ki rally ngi la syong ki sit in demonstration rei dan basngap yangi di mentara sini la poisha strong agitation jungi shikwan penbenar shapi baro ba nadu shibit men met khat arbaji ngen nom shim kesu ka service jungi kan stop no.